Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply preset filters to your selfie on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then, as you can see, you can either take a picture with your phone by tapping on the camera icon or selecting a picture from your gallery. So choose the relevant option and click on the relevant photo that you want to edit. Then click on the presets button down below, which is the first option. And here, as you can see, you have 4 categories that you can choose from, such as smooth, natural, stylized, aesthetic, and click on the relevant one, and then you will be able to find all of the options. Click on the relevant one that you want to use, and in the middle of the screen you can find this retouch scale that you can use in order to adjust the filter to your picture. Here you have other options. So the first one is the retouch, then you have the sculpt option and the makeup option as well. If you are done with applying and adjusting your filter, click on the check mark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen to save your picture. However, many of these filters are only available to premium users. As you can see, there is a diamond icon in the left side corner indicating that these ones are premium filters. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.